Hey guys, it's Yuto here from SudachIRecipes.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make Saizeriya's most loved side dish, Karami chicken. These delicious wings are coated in a spicy marinade and then deep fried to crispy perfection. It's pretty easy to do and I'm going to show you how. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need 5 chicken wings, 1 tablespoon of white wine, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Sichuan chili bean paste, tobanjan, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and oil for shallow frying. This recipe only serves one. It's a small side dish, so feel free to double or triple the ingredients. So first, I'm gonna prep the chicken wings. I have 5 wings with the tips on. We're just gonna stretch the wing out like this, feel where the joint is and cut through it. Make sure you're using a sharp knife for this. It's up to you what you do with the tips, but many people use them to make chicken stock. In Japan, chicken wings are usually sold like this with the wing tips still there but the drum part removed. If you have the drum part as well, you can use them in this recipe too. Just make sure you separate the drum and the wingette by cutting them at the joints. So now we're gonna make the marinade. Take a container or a bowl to add the white wine, ketchup, tobanjan, rice vinegar, oyster sauce, a pinch of salt, garlic paste, and a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well and then coat the chicken. The word karami means spicy flavor in Japanese, but actually these wings are just mildly spicy. They're very easy to eat. If you've ever been to Saizeriya, you know it's an Italian style restaurant, but as you can probably tell, Karami chicken is not Italian at all. They're more like buffalo wings. I'm not too sure how they got there to begin with, but they're definitely the most popular dish on the side menu. I order them every time. So once they're completely covered, we're gonna leave them to marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes. When 30 minutes are up, we're gonna heat up the oil. So take a deep pan and add oil until it's about 2 cm or 1 inch deep. We wanna heat it to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit. While it's heating, we're gonna make the marinade into more of a batter. Add a couple of tablespoons of wheat flour and cornstarch and mix it well. It's gonna get thick, and this is what's gonna make the wings extra crispy. I know the color looks quite orangey red, but like I said before, these wings are actually not that hot. So if you like spicy food, you can try adding some chili powder to the batter too. So those are well covered. Let's put them in the oil. We're gonna fry them for 3 minutes on each side, then turn up the heat to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and then fry for 1 more minute on each side. I love this technique for frying chicken and use it for my karage and Nagoya tebasaki recipes too. If you love fried chicken, you could check them out. I've put the link in the description box for you. They're nearly done. Let's turn up the heat for those final 2 minutes. Lastly, I'm just gonna transfer them to a wire rack to let the excess oil drip off before serving. And there you have it, delicious, crispy and mildly spicy Saizeriya style Karami chicken. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have lots more tasty Japanese recipe on my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.